Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play One Love on keyboard. Start by finding the song key and setting a relaxed tempo around 75 BPM, then tune your ear to the chord progression. Warm up with simple major and minor triads in the song's key, focusing on smooth transitions. Keep your left hand steady on bass roots, while your right hand practices the chord rhythm and simple melodic fills for feel. Start with the core chords and isolate the rhythm pattern that defines the groove. Practice playing chords on beats 2 and 4 with light staccato to emulate the reggae skank. Use simple inversions so fingers move less and transitions stay smooth. Once the rhythm is comfortable, layer in passing chords and occasional sustained majors to add warmth without cluttering the texture or overpowering the vocal line. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear keyboard guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a crisp, fresh scent that actually lasts and pairs nicely with your commute to practice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, enjoy the boost. Now let's get back to the video. Practice the melody hands separately at first, focusing on accurate pitch and phrasing. Bring both hands together when you can play the rhythm and melody without tension. Add small fills between vocal lines, like single note runs or octave jumps, to keep interest. Use lighter touch during verses and slightly fuller sound for choruses, always keeping the groove consistent so the melody sits naturally over the chords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.